On.
Hi, I'm Nicole with McKenna Property Management. I work with Jenny McKenna. Right now we're at 771 Ann Lane. We're outside in the front parking area right now. Right here is our garage, the 2-car. You also have parking here. In the remarks, we also mentioned that there's a lot of visitor space around the corner, which is great.
Down on the end.
And you also have exterior parking if you don't want to park in your garage. So we'll head into the inside. You do have an enclosed retreat type patio here. The owner is taking good care of the property. You see a lot of pride in ownership with the rock design and rock scape here. Also, the patio cover looks to be in good shape. Great for private retreat area as well. And then we can go into the garage really quickly. The garage here also looks to be in good shape. You have a 2-car automatic garage. We do have some stainage here, but we will have that power washed and taken out. There are some shelving against the wall which will stay. They look to be in good shape as well. Here is also more area for a retreat that tenants would love. It's private and they don't have to worry about any other visitors. This is the front entrance to the living room. They've done some great upgrades with the baseboards and also with the flooring. Looks to be a wood laminate, but it's in great shape and willing installed. And over here we have your dining area, along with the French doors with the instilled blinds already there inside. It's another courtyard area which is great for tenants to come visit. This is also a lot of space where tenants don't have to worry about maintaining it, and neither do you. The HOA takes care of all the landscape here, so you never have to worry about that. Sorry. You have the opening to the kitchen here, which is great from the dining area. And then we'll head into the kitchen from here. In the kitchen, you have fixtures that have already taken place, like the light fixtures have already been upgraded. They look to be in good shape. Also, the cabinets have been painted, which also look to be in good shape with the knobs on as well. And the countertops look to be, it's a granite, well done. Overall, the kitchen looks to be in good shape, along with the appliances, which are all white. And you also notice the black splash that also extends to the area over here, along with the back of the oven area. Here is the bathroom downstairs. Again, your fixtures, your cabinets, your countertops are all well done. This is upgraded by the owner. The other units do not have these, so which is great. And this looks to be in good shape as well. We're gonna head upstairs. The carpets are in fabulous shape. The only thing we would recommend is a light cleaning. Once all the furniture is removed, it'll freshen up the carpets and make it look bright and warm. This is your master with a Jack and Jill bathroom that connects to the hallway, which we'll head in there. Flooring looks to be tile and it's in fabulous shape. Upgraded toilet. The shower looks good as well. Just would recommend a sink stopper in the tub. We're gonna go back into the bedroom. Again, carpets look good in here. You also have a balcony here. Let's see if I can get out there. Thank you. Balcony overlooks, very nice, good amount of space. Overlooks the courtyard community area as well. Overall, the paint in this property looks great. The only thing we recommend is a slight touch-up once all of the wall paintings and everything is removed. This is your second bedroom, also a great size. Paint in here looks good. Your mirrored closet doors, which are in great shape, so those can stay. And also, one minor thing would be to change out the smoke detector in the second bedroom. How much do you think? There's a couple of them. One more smoke detector in this room as well. And then there. And I think that is it. Overall, I think this is a great property. We do have one that we currently manage in the same community, and it's been a great tenant, great longevity of the tenant being present. But overall, I think the community is great. This would be a good rental.
Thank you.
Thank you.